Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with This Guy. That's me. On the channel today, pizza. Yes. Any YouTube channel worth its salt, in my opinion, has to have a pizza recipe on it. So today we're going to make the pizza dough. We're going to go through kind of a step-by-step process on how to make all that goodness. Today is the fundamental part of a pizza dough or a bread dough, that if you put things in or take things away or move things around, you can change in different things. So you could look at like focaccia bread, you could look at burger buns, you could look at milk buns. Did I say burger buns? I think it is. You could make all sorts, really. If you're new to the channel, if YouTube recommends my video, which I hope you do, shout out to YouTube, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Let's get to it. Right, so first things first, guys, we need our flour. Now, as we are in a global pandemic at the moment, I can't get any 00 flour or bread flour. I can't find it anywhere. It's like gold dust. So today I'm going to be using just plain flour. Okay, it will work the same. So don't be worrying about it. Okay, so first thing first, we need 400 grams of plain flour into the bowl. Okay, so we have 325 grams there. Okay, so that we're just going to add a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, 7 grams of yeast, and we're just going to let that bloom for about 5-10 minutes. All right. Look at that. That looks phenomenal. Bring our bread dough back in. Then just get a fork and just bring it in. It is going to be wet, guys, so don't be too worried. Again, just a bit more flour. Okay. And then I'm just going to bring it in. It is going to be a sticky dough, guys, so listen, don't be too worried. I'm just going to work that dough into it. Now, if you had a stand mixer, you could do it all in here in the stand mixer, very easily. Right, guys, so after about 10 minutes of kneading, you're going to have a dough that looks like this. Looking lovely, isn't it? So if you push in and it bounces back, see that? So bring back the bowl it was in earlier on. Okay, we're going to put a small bit of oil in there, in here. So just put this into a nice warm area, and it should double in size. So it's been maybe an hour and a half or so. As you can see, look at this. It's risen fantastically well. I'm chuffed with myself. So we have just have to do a thing called knock it back. I'd love to just punch it. Oh, yeah. We have it all. Okay, so as I said earlier on, this would probably give you about 4 medium-sized pizzas. So we'll cut it in half. So perfect balls for our pizza dough.